In this segment of the Word tutorial, we'll learn how to use online images in Word. We select where we want the image to be inserted, go to the Insert tab, and then select the drop-down next to Images, and then select Online Pictures. From here, it's going to connect to Bing and select Online Pictures. Select a specific image, search for a particular keyword. Notice that you can select only Creative Commons only, so these are images that you're allowed to use without seeking permission. And if you take that off, you have additional options. You can pick more than one image if necessary, and then click on Insert, and then readjust the image. Remember to use the formatting tools for images, and also the positioning where you want the image, and the text wrapping as well. Text wrapping, typically tight, is the most commonly used one. Once we selected the online images, notice that we have also the icon options as well.